I will be showing you how to create a Lewis dot structure for a covalent molecule and a polyatomic covalent ion. Let's start with a covalent molecule. So the covalent molecule that we will be working on is dicarbon hexahydride, or ethane. And it has 2 carbons and 6 hydrogens. The first step is to find the total amount of valence electrons found in the molecule. Carbon has 4 valence electrons total, and we multiply that by 2 because there are 2 carbons found in this molecule. And hydrogen only has 1 valence electron, so we multiply that by 6 because there are 6 hydrogens found in this molecule. So if we add all valence electrons, we will get 14 valence electrons total. The next step is to divide the total amount of valence electrons by 2 in order to find the number of pairs that we will have. The next step is to subtract the number of unshared pairs to get the number of bonds. To do this, we have to see what the atom looks like with its electrons in the valence shell. It looks like carbon and hydrogen don't have any unshared pairs. So when we subtract the unshared pairs from the pairs total, it shows that we will have 7 bonds. To start the Lewis dot structure, we have to bond the 2 carbons together to create a single bond. Hydrogen and carbon atoms each share 1 electron to create a bond. This completes the Lewis dot structure because hydrogen only needs 2 electrons to fill its outer valence shell, and carbon completes the rule of octet, and it has 7 bonds total. Now we will be moving on to a polyatomic covalent ion, and the example we are using is iodate. It has 1 iodine and 3 oxygens, and it is negatively charged. We'll be following the same steps before, but this time, since it is a negatively charged ion, we will have to add 1 to the total amount of valence electrons, and in this case, it'll be 26 instead of 25. So we will divide 26 by 2 to get 13 pairs, and then we subtract that by 9 unshared pairs to get 4 bonds. We create the Lewis dot structure. Iodine will be in the middle, surrounded by oxygen. The pink dot represents the additional electron provided by the negatively charged ion. And then we put brackets around the Lewis dot structure with the negatively charged ion on the outside.